everybody's talking about basketball these days because of the FIBA. Angola, sino yung una? Dominican Republic.
Republic.
Pag nanonood ka ng basketball, do you miss basketball?
Aba, sobra. Oo. Pero whenever I watch mga UAP, NCAA, parang naiinggit ako. Parang medyo may bitterness. Parang, kasi doon ako nag-stop eh. Nag-stop ako ng college.
Right.
So, yeah, I mean, of course, nami-miss ko siya. But, syempre, nandito na tayo ngayon.
Minsan hindi natin alam kung saan tayo dadalhin. September 11, next Monday, this coming Monday, magsisimula na ang Maging Sino Ka Man. Ilang mga katanungan, how much of the movie is in the serye?
I think yung whole story, medyo same pa rin talaga sa movie. But then, nag-twist kami, of course. Iba na si Monique. Si Carding medyo similar. Like, pares pa rin yung mga characters and all that. But then, I think may twist pa rin siya. Kasi ayaw naman naming totally gayahin yung nasa movie. Yan.
And talking about gaya, we will not be able to deny na ang sinusundan ninyo ay ang pelikula ng the one and the only megastar Sharon Cuneta and of course, Senator Robin Padilla, iconic. My question is, are you more excited than afraid? Are you more afraid than excited? Where are you?
I think I'm super excited. Hindi naman ako
Takot?
Yeah, hindi naman. Kasi I feel like as long as I do my best, as long as aralin ko yung script, and buo kasing tiwala ko sa director namin, si Direk Enzo Williams, kay Direk Zairo, na min-motivate nila ako every single day.
Okay.
Na sinasabi nila sa akin, oh, maganda yung ginagawa mo and all that. Tsaka tinuturuan talaga nila ako when it comes to action. So,
Action.
Yeah, action. So,
And Barbie is there to support you.
oh, yeah, of course. And syempre si Barbie, she's always been there for me. So, hindi naman ako natatakot. But of course, big shoes to fill for me and Barbie.
Right.
Syempre kasi it's a Senator Robin Padilla and Miss Sharon Cuneta. Alam naman natin na super hit talaga yung movie. And
Pelikula.
And I heard na yun daw yung pinaka-highest grossing film of all
Yeah.
time. So, big shoes to fill. But I think I just try my best not to be pressured. Because pag na-pressure ako, baka mas ma-anxiety lang ako, ma-overwhelm and all that.
At mablur yung vision mo.
Exactly.
Pero kung hindi ka takot sa mga pagkakataong ganito, saan ka takot?
Siguro mawala yung family.
You go back to family.
Yeah.
Okay.